What's going on? It's your boy Speedy Joel. Never introduced you to my baby. So I got the all white, big body black stripe Chevy Camaro LT V6, but still sexy as all hell. It's my baby. Coming up on his 1 year anniversary. But today, me and my son, my boy, we going out to our first car meet. But we're not taking my baby. We got something just as fun, a lot louder, not as sexy in my opinion, but y'all seen it on the other videos. Burnout on the rooftop. We got this nice ass plum purple Dodge Challenger. Here we go. And of course, he's gonna make me drive today. Son of a gun. Only right, he's driving tomorrow. Say what's up to the fans. No? Not gonna say hi? No. You gonna be that guy? Nope. We're gonna record. I'm not videoing you, you're good. I'll edit all this bullshit out.
79, it's the best way to go.
I know, I seen it.
I was looking at it. Seatbelt.
Be helpful if you can hold this.
I'm not holding your camera.
I'm not like.
Where's your mount?
This is my mount for the day. There ain't nothing to mount it to. You're gonna be a dick today, aren't you?
I'm always the dick, bud. Fuck. I got to work this morning, and first thing I told us, hey, we got to change 4 railroad ties and fix some splice bars. Oh, and it's me and you. Me and
all right, so we are off.
I got a long nose for that.
Are you talking about the car or your face?
Fuck you, dickhead.
We're off to Adams Township for a nice little car meet. I think it's mainly going to be my brother and the Camaro boys, but you never know. We might see some exotic cars, have a lot of fun. Maybe someone can do a pool with me.
A bunch of slow cars, so it's going to be if they're a bunch of Camaros.
What a dick. What a dick.
That way. Try to do that one left.
You're really not going to hold this?
No, I'm not. It's got more power in your car, Sam. Be careful.
Oh, don't you try that shit with me. Alright, we finally made it to the destined land. We got some hella nice cars out here. Are you gonna be my commentary?
No.
Why not?
Walk around and look at cars. They're always on here.
I wanna walk around and look at cars too, bro. I wonder if your motor's bigger than his.
Which one? Probably not.
Or louder at least.
That's 50-50. My buddy at work come out.
Ooh, it's a pretty ass Stingray, yo.
Yeah, I tried to get my buddy at work to come out today with the Chevelle. He's like, I gotta pick up my son. I'm like, pick up your son, go get a haircut and meet me up there.
You wanna hold it?
Huh? His son's about his age, actually, so.
Make a video. Have fun. Show off.